So once you've got your sites and pages mobile friendly, you need to get some traffic to them. Depending on the purpose of your landing pages, you might be looking for mobile-only traffic, or you might be looking at indiscriminate traffic in general and simply want to ensure that traffic is treated appropriately based on the visitor's devices. In many cases, if your goal is something mobile-specific, like collecting people's primary, best email addresses and real names via a mobile opt-in tool like Warlord Mobile Leads, then you'll literally want only mobile traffic coming to your landing pages. We'll focus on free and paid methods of driving exclusively mobile traffic first, then indiscriminate traffic methods. So let's say you're trying to collect super high quality email leads because you're tired of low open rates, fake email addresses, and all that jazz. In that case, you'd need to look at a tool like Warlord Mobile Leads to collect primary emails and real names without visitors needing to type any info into an opt-in form. Problem is, tools like that only work on mobile devices, so you don't really want to send desktop traffic to a page where you're using a tool like that. Likewise, perhaps you're trying to branch out into SMS text message marketing and you want users who see an SMS sign-up offer to be on their mobile devices when they see it. Point is, sometimes you're going to want exclusively mobile traffic. There's a couple ways to do this. Firstly, you can use paid ads that run only on mobile. The high-end version of this would be paid native ads on social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. These ads, while slightly more expensive, can actually be the most cost-effective because of the quality of traffic they send. We won't go into great detail on how to create these ads since that's not the focus of this guide, but feel free to check out our other guides on Facebook and Twitter paid ads for more details. Suffice it to say, there's a very clear option in the creation process for these ads where you can choose to display the ad for mobile users only. Choose that option and all your traffic will be mobile. Another paid option is to use mobile-specific ad networks like BuzzCity or AdModa. These platforms let you target mobile users who are browsing on mobile sites or using mobile apps within these platforms' respective networks. Remember those annoying text ads that you see while using the light version of your favorite phone app? Yep, that's what we're talking about here. The benefit of this is that you can get your ad in front of a ton of people, and the clicks are very inexpensive, as little as 1 cent per click. The problem is that the traffic is much lower quality and less targetable. For example, if you're using native social media ads like Facebook, you can market your heart health related products to men over 50 in Texas who have expressed an interest in the American Heart Association, or a certain brand of heart medicine. Bingo. But if that's your target market and you're using one of these super cheap mobile ad networks like BuzzCity, then you might not see much success. These networks do have some targeting capabilities, but they're not nearly as specific or reliable as the major social media sites, so you should only use them if your target audience is relatively broad to begin with. Another newer option is Facebook Instant Articles. So Facebook Instant Articles is basically a big push by Facebook to create articles that show up in the Facebook mobile app newsfeed and render in the blink of an eye without people having to be directed to an external page or wait for the article to load. The great thing about this is that it doesn't cost money and you guarantee that only mobile users are going to see these articles. So the idea is to add these articles to your content marketing plan and ensure they link or lead to a mobile landing page. This is a solid, non-paid method for driving mobile-only traffic. As for non-discriminate traffic, it's pretty simple. Just about every CMS will automatically show people the correct version of the site these days. Otherwise, you can use a simple mobile redirect script or plugin to redirect mobile traffic away from a certain URL and over to your desired mobile landing page. Of course, if your site is responsive, you don't even need to worry about this. That's it for this video. Go ahead and take a moment to skim through everything we've discussed and determine which traffic driving strategy might be best for your business. In the next video, we're going to discuss how to make use of that mobile traffic.